and thank you so much. Yes, and an influencer marketing coach as well. Recently, I've cracked 10,000 followers and connections on LinkedIn. So, yes, I'm doing pretty well in terms of teaching and in terms of learning digital marketing by myself every day. So, yeah, that's it. I think, before you all go ahead with my session today, I would just want to tell you all that there is no age, there is no time duration, there is no foundation of anything in your mind that you cannot do this or you can do this, whatever it is. It's how you train yourself. So what I believe is that if you are maybe a bit of hesitant that how you can start your influencer journey, then please I would just let you मतलब मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि you can always just read about influencers, just go to their page and just check out that what were their initial type of posts that might be not which had so much of the quality. Those posts might not have that much good camera quality, maybe some kind of things that they speak, or maybe in terms of content that they write or the hashtags as well. So yes, if you want to start anything from anywhere, just see how people are doing it and how did they start. Also, one more thing that there are so many influencers, there are so many people out there in this market. They are really very very nice. If you just DM them, if you just message them that hi, how was your journey, how can I do all these things, I am really much impressed by whatever thing you have done so far, please can you just help me out also. So maybe just go out, just reach out to people, just see how they are doing things out, just ask them, just question them, and then I'm pretty sure that there will be some or the other person who will be helping you out in every way. So then yes, of course, whatever your field is, doesn't matter, if you're going to say if you're going to do something that relates to drop shipping, or you're going to start your own business, you're going to start your own consultancy firm, you're going to restart something that you might have left somewhere behind. So yes, there is no end to anything. You can just restart everything. It's just that you need to start, that's it. Okay, so just before I go through these things, right, I have of course, yes, I've just read all these things. I would just like to know here, what all people have you done so far. So earlier I got to know that there is one person who's from digital marketing, there is one person who was into Infosys earlier. So can you just please let me know a little bit more about yourself, so that the conversation about today's examples become little more relevant for all of you. So maybe maybe just in 2 3 words, if you can just tell me just 3 4 more things that you have done so far.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi Gopal. Can you hear me, Tulika?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So I'm from Bangalore, and I've had about more than 20 years of experience working with Infosys and Gold Technologies and Tech Mahindra, and with an NGO, and also and with some startups. So currently, I'm doing some freelance consulting with one music startup, and also I'm part of the Herky ambassadors and community manager. So yeah.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Next.
Can I go?
Yes, please.
Yes. Hi, this is Vijayshri. I worked in companies like Capgemini and Polaris, and so I was in software testing, quality assurance, and so that has been my whole career so far. And that I have an experience of about 12 years. After that, in 2016, I took a break, and since then haven't worked. And due to I had like relocation, parenting, and there were various things, COVID, and there was one after the other, and so I couldn't get back in any form. I have not even done freelancing. And in November or December of last year, I joined the Restarter program of Horky, and that's when I kind of started this journey. I'm not yet been successful towards getting a job, but I'm hoping one day to have some kind of income. I'm not really very focused on the 9 to 5 6 job kind of thing, but I would like to have an income and do something. So yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you very much.
Next. Thank you, ma'am.
So yeah, can I go next? Priyanka
Yes,
this
yes,
side.
quickly, ma'am, quickly.
Yeah, so I belong to legal background. I have done contract management and document
Tengah
reviews, and then
Tengah
I had a baby, so I left my job. It's about 5 years now. now I'm trying to get back to my career. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you. Next, ma'am, please.
Can I go, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Hi, this is Mansa. I'm from Hyderabad. I worked in IT profile in different technologies, and I got a career break, and now restarted in testing profile only. From 2 years, I'm working in that profile only. Uh, that's it, ma'am.
Lovely.
I'm looking forward to any like digital marketing. I am interested towards it. So from Harki team only, I got this call back regarding this opportunity, so that I joined in this.
Lovely,
That's
lovely, lovely. Thank you so much.
that's
We
it,
will
ma'am.
take one more last one. Thank you. Anyone else? Last one?
Can I go?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Hi, Tulika. Hello, everyone. My name is Reena, and I'm a double postgraduate and more than 7 years of experience in the IT sector. Then I shifted to my domain and working as freelancer. It's been a more than 8 years. I'm working as a assessment developer. So I'm just looking forward that unexplored digital marketing sector, which really excites me. That's why I'm here. And apart from that, I'm with Harki as an ambassador and a community manager.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Thank
Thank you very much. First of all, I'm so happy that I'm getting to share this screen with of course yes so much experienced people out here. Abhi tak ke whatever thing I've heard from you people so far, whatever the background that you people have worked on, what I believe is that yes of course there has been a break, right? But then to get back from a break, it is very important that you have at least one portion wherein you can be yourself what you were before. So by this what I mean is that consider that you were doing some kind of software testing earlier, or you were in any kind of profession. What I believe is that just start delivering some or the other content every day. Right now, I have just asked you, hi, what do you do? Right? Just tell me something about yourself. This is a basic question which everyone needs to face after they cross their class 10th or whatever it is, right? From that point of time till in this session, right, you are getting this question. This is the first video that you need to create on your any platform, be it Instagram, or you take YouTube, or you take LinkedIn, or you take Quora, whatever it is. Just start with one basic topic, that is what have you done so far. After that, think yourself as a consultant. Since you are experienced in a particular field for more than 5 years, what I believe is that you already know a big part of that particular industry. Then why not just start telling people out there that if you are in this situation then you can do this, if you have this then you can do this, something like that. Also of course this answer has helped me has helped me a lot. And then I'm going to share with you an AI tool that I believe that will be changing your concept of how you can enter into digital marketing and how you can enter into influencer marketing at a very very easy, peaceful way. So let's just get started. I'll just share the screen. Please just give me a heads up if you all can see my screen. Hi, can you see my screen? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I'll just quickly come to my presentation that I've done here. So today's session is all about start influencer journey. Today we'll be getting more into the details. Yesterday were from bits and pieces, a little bit of introduction, more of the insights. But today we'll be going into more details at how actually you can start things out there. Like yesterday I've told you can do this, you can do that, you should do this, you should do that. All the kind of motivational things have been happening so far. But then today I'll be telling you how exactly to learn some particular kind of tools that will help you get started from today. Second will be how to get collaborations. Consider that, like, you are now at a level that, yes, yeah, now you feel that, like, I have already done so much things on my page, but then now how to get different kind of collaborations. I'll be helping you out in that as well. Next can be latest trends in influencer marketing, like what different people are doing. And then, of course, it can be exploring networks and communities. Apart from this, I'll be also teaching you some kind of AI tools which can be used in your daily Android or your iPhone. And then that can, of course, help you to create content at a really nice level. Let's get started. This is your influencer journey. Number one, what I feel is that there needs to be a passion for, like, of course, yes, till now you people have written what is your experience at Harki, right? That is because you've experienced that thing through sessions, through talking to people, through listening, through notes, through whatever kind of promotional things have been done so far. You have experienced something, now you can write that. You have to find that experience. It will be great that, like, if you have some kind of notebook around with you right now. If not, then please get it. So yes, now whatever topic you think in your head is a kind of passion, right? That with this particular kind of content, you can create something. Or say with this particular point, I'm like, say that with this particular kind of trait, or say the talent that you have, you can create some kind of content to teach people. Okay, fine, this is done like this. It can be just creating something, it can be about software, it can be about some kind of social media marketing tool, it can be about how the product was delivered, like how the product was delivered, etc, etc. Second is creativity. By creativity, what I mean is that you need to be yourself. Each person is creative in himself or herself, right? So what I mean by that is that once when you come in front of the camera, you need to just dress properly, right? It's not that you need to be with a lot of makeup, etc. No, just be you, and then just start telling things in a very subtle way. Because see, people connect with people. If I'll be, like, just polishing my English a lot, and then, like, when I'll be coming to you, then I don't think that, like, I'll be able to connect in that level. I can communicate with you better with the experience that I have and a bit of similar kind of language. So then that will be some kind of creative extent that I will like that I will be having. Or, like, you can also say that some kind of experiences, some kind of examples that I put into the sessions that I take. All these things. Next can be authenticity. Authenticity is all about that, like, of course, sharing the genuine content. I was also sharing this kind of content yesterday. In that, what happened was that, like, I was just requesting you people that don't sell any kind of product or service that you don't believe in. Consider that, like, there's some kind of influencer, he says, she says that, yes, this is a very nice kurti, etc, etc, but, like, it is not that level of thing that you're actually presenting on camera. Then don't present, just leave it. Don't tell people that, like, after joining this thing your life can be changed. No. Yes, it will make a deep impact on your career. Yes, it will make a deep impact on what you're doing right now. But then, yes, of course, you should also maintain the kind of authenticity, whatever you like, whatever you deliver. Next will be consistency. Of course, posting regular is a very important thing. Once when you get into this video creation thing, once when you get into some kind of content creation thing, say that can be like, normal the graphics, normal the posts that you create, or maybe say some kind of blogs that you write. Once when you start writing, right, then you will get to know, okay, fine, there are so many bifurcations I can do. For example, if I'm telling that, okay, fine, I'll be teaching you influencer marketing, like, of course, at an initial level, no matter how much experience you are, I was also like, just don't know, okay, fine, what will I teach for 5 6 hours on influencer marketing? Because, like, it is like such a wide thing. Sometimes I thought it is like such a small thing. Influencer marketing is like, maybe say how influencers do their own personal branding, etc, etc. But then now after that, when I came into, like, just dividing every topic, then I got to know, okay, fine, first I can tell them that, like, what all the things are required. After that, what all the tools are there, how you can actually become an influencer, what are the different parts of becoming an influencer, what are the pros, what are the cons. So, like, those were all the bifurcation that I had made for my topic. Accordingly, when you will start creating bifurcations, you will be getting into content creation at a consistent level. So that is what is more important. Next is your communication. See, what happens is that now maximum people, they create content and then they just start pushing it everywhere, but they forget that their followers are liking their page, their followers are commenting, their followers are actually putting some kind of DM, they're asking some kind of questions. Maximum brand owners, what they do is that they're like, no, 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 it's like we are brand owners, we don't need to thank on every comment. No, you need to do that. Reason number one, you create a kind of communication with your followers, so then, like, they don't unfollow you in the future time. They're like, okay, fine, this particular brand listens to me, responses me. Second is that whenever a person comments, and then whenever you or whenever a brand comments it back with a reply, that person will get a notification, and then he or she will again come back to your post. Then that might increase the engagement of your post as well. And of course, if it's a video, then it will also increase the number of views. So that's very important. That is the reason, like, many, of course, like, I would suggest that personally, consider that I have uploaded a reel right now. I will just shut my phone. I will not look at it for next 2 hours. And then after that, I will just go back, and then, like, I'll be putting a story. Right after posting something, don't put a story. Just let your account be. Let that reel travel everywhere, wherever it can, right? After that, come back and then put it on your story. So then whoever looks at all the stories above, right, then that person can look at your story again. And then again, that person will be able to increase the views that your reel will have. Third can also be a thing that whenever you see that people have replied, right, don't reply instantly. Reply after 3-4 hours maybe, until and unless they are asking about some kind of price, or, like, say some kind of query that they have. Yes, of course, query revert should be as soon as possible. But yes, if it is a kind of, say, consideration post that, yes, very nice, great work, something like that, then yes, of course, you can comment later on as well. Next here comes up is platform selection. In platform selection, you need to, of course, just consider your strength. You can just take the screenshot of all these pages. That's why, like, I've just written the heads, and then I'll be trying to explain as much as I can about, like, according to those things. Next is consider your strength, assess your content style, identify your audience, and then after that, evaluate your engagement features. With platform selection, what I mean is that consider, I want to create content that involves long explanation things. For example, something that relates to, like, maybe that requires a deep explanation right from the beginning till the end, or maybe say till the middle point of time. So, like, those all things cannot always come into the Instagram section. Instagram section will have more of the engagement thing. I'm like, Instagram section will have more of the content that involves, say, some kind of entertainment factors. If you talk about all these informational things, I think that YouTube should be a platform. Yes, of course, the long form videos as well. So that is why your platform selection will come into the picture. Not all the informational things are circulated, or, like, are accepted very well on Instagram. That is why there are so many people who are, like, just struggling with the video editing part right now. So, like, until and unless you don't have a very strong video editing part, I don't think that, like, a great informational thing should go on Instagram. Yes, of course, your page should implicate some kind of informational reels or content. But if you want that, like, you can become an influencer, you can become on all those things, then yes, of course, you need to just select your platform. Maybe LinkedIn, of course, can be a really nice option. If you all women have worked somewhere, if you all people have, like, had so much of experience, I think that LinkedIn is a go-to platform right now. And the second can be your YouTube. Because see, Instagram is like flooded these days with all the kind of beauty, fashion, all these entertainment, all these celebrity things. Don't hit on Instagram right now. Maybe you can, like, just pitch out, like, you can just work on your existence for the time being. But yes, of course, if you want to, like, just put yourself into some kind of informational thing, then yes, of course, YouTube and uh, LinkedIn can be your platform. Identify your audience. Yes, of course, I have, like, just covered everything in that particular example. That your audience is according to your channel, of course, only. Next is evaluate engagement features. See, it's like if you want people to click on particular link. So in Instagram, what happens is that when you write a caption, and if you imbibe a link in that, so people cannot tap on that link. People can tap on the link that you put in caption only on Facebook, only on Twitter, and yes, of course, only on LinkedIn. But on YouTube, and of course, like in YouTube Shorts and in Instagram, people cannot actually tap on that particular link. So then now, if you want to tell people that, hi, click on this link, then I don't think that putting that link will be a favorable thing. That link content can go on these particular platforms that I've just told you, or maybe on the stories. So this is how you need to evaluate your engagement features, right? Also, yesterday I was not covering one very major part of digital marketing, which is WhatsApp. WhatsApp, it's like maybe 70 to 80 times a person opens their WhatsApp in 24 hours. So I don't think that, like, you should ever leave that platform. Just stick to it. And then how those all strategies I'll be covering in this session ahead. Niche selection, yes, of course. Niche, I've been talking about this yesterday as well. So then the particular kind of topic, or say the particular kind of skill or quality that you have, the experience that you have on which you can speak for 2 hours without stopping yourself, that is your topic, that is your niche. So then after that, once you know, okay, fine, what I can speak about, after that, it becomes very easy to select that what kind of people will be liking that. Next is your research, market demand, evaluate competition, consider audience. All these things will involve one by one in some or the other kind of influencer marketing strategies. Now, editing is made easy. I'll be just explaining all these editing things through my phone in a while. Yeah. I would like to cover these three AI tools, which you all should learn. These two are one, and one I'll be sharing. Okay. Till now, anyone has any kind of question? I'm like, is the session going fine? Are you able to hear me properly? Just give me one last yes, etc. Okay, thank you. Now, has anyone heard about ChatGPT before? Or is there anyone who has not heard about ChatGPT before? You can just speak right away.
Yeah, know about ChatGPT.
Okay. Is there anyone who doesn't know? Okay. What all things have you done on ChatGPT?
Asked a lot of queries on some things like when we are traveling and all that, and many also might be to fine tune what you've kind of done as a part of a essay or something like that, like no, to see if it can be written better or worded better.
Lovely, lovely. Yes. Okay. So, like, from yesterday's session, or maybe before, like, before from this, is there anyone who is looking forward to start their own channel, start their own Instagram page, starting an influencer journey? Is there anyone? Please, you can, like, just switch on your mic and then speak.
Yeah, I'm thinking looking at LinkedIn because I'm more interested in doing something on project management, which I've been doing for quite some time in my career. So might be I'll look at that.
Okay. So, like, by project management, would you like to deliver this topic only to everyone about
Like more
project?
like I mean I would like to look at all the aspects of project management. Might be create some kind of what do you call stories or something like that. Might be in that, or might be also consider something like what could be the best practices from whatever experience I've had.
Okay, okay. So, like, of course, if I talk about project management, which company were you working in?
I was a project manager. I was part of it. I was in Infosys and then Tech Mahindra and also Coal Technologies, where I did the major part of project management and program management and all that.
Okay,
So
okay, okay. I
for
got that.
telecom, yeah.
Thank you so much. So now what I'll be doing is that I'll be picking Chat GPT. I'll, like, just give you one more short introduction about what Chat GPT is all about. Chat GPT is basically a kind of AI tool that helps in writing. Of course, Chat GPT has got many competitors right now. The latest one is Gemini. Gemini is Google's product, and it is proved to be more successful than ChatGPT these days. Why? Because it gives the updated information. So it's like just talking to Google right away, and then not with some other kind of, like, data that has been entered into ChatGPT some years back. So yeah, Chat Gemini is something that you can use. I'm just writing here. Like, I personally use Gemini, but yes, of course, ChatGPT has been so much uh, used by vast audiences that I would like to take ChatGPT here. Now, what I'll be going to do is that I'll be, ma'am, आपका नाम क्या था? What was your name? Sorry.
Lakshmi.
Okay, so then like now we are taking an example of Lakshmi ji, wherein she will be starting wherein she will be starting her own LinkedIn platform to become an influencer, and then she'll be talking about project management related topics, along with talking about the experiences that she has. Why? Because then that will add a kind of social proof to the page. Say some person comes and then that person just starts speaking about, hi, I was doing this in project management is all about this, these are the tools, these are the kind of platforms, these are kind of strategy, etc., etc. And then one person comes up, says, hi, I have been working in this particular company as this or whatever it is. So then according to my experiences, this is what I need to say about project management. Then that makes a kind of big impact. Now how to bifurcate all those things? So then right now I'll be creating complete 15 days content calendar for Lakshmi ji through ChatGPT. I'll
Oh.
be here, hi, my name is, I want to become a LinkedIn influencer and would like to talk about project management. Of course, you can add more filters to it, that more details will be better. Say project management about so and so product or whatever it is. Please help me create a 15 days content calendar for LinkedIn, include polls, posts, article, videos, and event. Make this in tabular form. Take the content that is easy and relatable. Also add call to action after every post. Okay, let's not add call to action. Call to action is added when you have some kind of product to sell. So consider that Lakshmi ji, she just creates her own book, an ebook, say for 20, 30 pages, and then then you just think of selling it, say for 199, for 499, whatever it is. So then once you create that particular product, then you can add call to action after every post that you make. I have written this. So this is called as prompt, right? So then whatever instruction you give to ChatGPT is called as prompt. I just reframe it once again. I'll just repeat this once again. Hi, my name is Lakshmi. I want to become a LinkedIn influencer and would like to talk about project management. Please help me create 15 days content calendar for LinkedIn. Include polls, articles, posts, videos, and events. Make this in tabular form. Take the take the content that is easy and relatable, and I'll just put here enter. Now let's see what is the kind of content that it gives. So see, according to this, day one you'll be posting a content that says introduction why project management matters. Then here you can tell, see, just get this content, okay? Chat GPT will be just giving you a bit of guidance about it, but then now in front of that, you can add your own filters. For example, say introduction, why project management matters for startups, why project management matters for restaurant businesses, or something like that. Then here comes a poll. Of course, day two will be having poll. What's the biggest challenge you face in project management? Then yes, of course, you can just tell the challenges of on your own also, or you can ask the Chat GPT as well. Please help me with the poll question answer as well. Third comes up article, that is tips for effective project planning. Then all these things, yeah, stuff, etc., etc., etc. So did you get my point now? If you want to start your influencer marketing journey, this is how you will be doing it. Just get a
Okay.
topic set in your head and then just think about whatever filters you can add. For example, I'm not pretty sure if you will be able to relate with my thing, but yes, if I am a digital marketing coach, then I'll be telling, hi, my name is Tulika with 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I would like to talk about 15 different concepts each day. My name is Sulika. With 7 years of experience in business marketing, I would like to talk about 15 different concepts each day for my LinkedIn page. Please help me create a content calendar in tabular form. Include some include 3 motivational content as well. So this is like, just an additional feature that I've added to explain that, like, you can also add some kind of things in this. Now I can say that help me divide this into different LinkedIn features like posts, polls, videos, etc. Okay. So earlier only we can do this. This is the 15 topics that I've got, importance of SEO in digital marketing, etc. etc. Now I'll be telling this for these 15 days topics. Help me write pointers along with sub pointers. Make this in tabular form for all 15 days. See, so now what I've done here in this is that when I took the topic of Lakshmi ji, right, I have entered every, like, all the kind of information that I wanted to tell ChatGPT in one particular message. But in my time, what I do, I've just bifurcated it into, say, 2 3 parts. First, I was talking about this motivation. After that, I was talking about the sub points, etc., etc. No, you just concise everything that you want to give to ChatGPT so that your one prompt is enough to give you the desired result. So see, now here in day one, I'll be talking about importance of SEO and digital marketing, and then these will be some kind of sub pointers that will be there. So then now I can just start my video. Hi, I'm going to tell you three importance of SEO and digital marketing, which are first overview, second key benefit, third current trends. So this is how your content is already prepared. Now today you will sit in, maybe say in half an hour you will be creating the content for your 15 days. Today you will be say yes, of course, okay, let me just reframe. If you want to create your complete 15 days ka content in 2 days, how will you do that? Today for half an hour, say for 1 hour, you will just create the kind of content that you want on your plan, that is on your page. After that, you will be creating only the type of content that requires writing material, that is only writing blogs. After that, of course, for the blogs also you can take the help of ChatGPT. After that, you will be taking the kind of content types that require some kind of designing. After that, maybe so tomorrow you can just work on video creation. See how many videos are here. There might be, say, maximum 4 5 videos might be there, right? 4 5 videos you can easily create in one day. If I'll be telling that, please just tell me what are the 5 type of project management tools that are that are available. You know that, and if you don't know that, you can, always just go back to Chat GPT and, just ask that particular person or this particular kind of tool. So what I mean is that if you want to become an influencer, if you want to start your journey, no matter your what, like no matter what your platform is, what all matters is what you are delivering. Number one, how many times you're delivering, means what is the kind of consistency that you're keeping in your head or on your page. That matters a lot. So yes, this was all about Chat GPT, I feel. If I talk about my thing, right, so I can also include some kind of occasional content ideas. For example, there was, say, some kind of Mother's Day, Father's Day, there is Holi, there is Diwali, there is, say, some kind of Simplicity Day, there is Spy Day. So how all those particular kind of days can be involved in my content calendar. This also plays a very important role. Now why does that? First of all, honestly, trust me, not many people are doing this. They are not understanding that, like, if like, say if there is Mother's Day, right, or like, say that if there is some kind of chocolate day, whatever it is, right, then at that particular point of time, that hashtag is trending. That particular topic is being talked by everyone out there. So then what if you will be relating something of your work with that thing? So consider that, like, if I'm there as a social media manager, and if I have to celebrate chocolate day on my post, I'll be telling that, hi, these are the three different types of new chocolate brands that have come in my city. Or I can also talk that, like, see, these are the three particular kind of thing that your packaging should have when you're delivering your chocolate. Are you getting my point? So it's like you need to include all those occasions also. I'll be just asking ChatGPT for one more content idea that can be, hi, please help me create, since August has Rakhi, I don't know what July has for us. Okay, fine. Hi, please help me create content calendar for August and include special dates or occasions that will happen in August, or yes, of course, that will take place in August, whatever it is. Consider I am a social media manager and I want to give knowledgeable content. Let's see what ChatGPT gives. Give me this in tabular form. So once when you enter this tabular form thing, right, then all this table is something that you can get. You can just take the screenshot, get the printouts, whatever you want. So see, now this is on 1st August, you have International Friendship Day, and as in the social, like, sorry, as a social media thing, I'll be talking about importance of networking in career growth. Friendship relating with networking. Why? Because I'm a social media manager. After that, here comes up National Watermelon Day. And then after that, benefits of hydration for productivity. Are you understanding? Means it's like ChatGPT has sorted everything in the most creative way anybody can look at the page. So see, it's like people are saying it's a National Watermelon Day, right? But I'll be telling, hi, I'm a social media manager, and then I increase my productivity with this one hydrating drink, whatever it is. And then, yes, happy Watermelon Day to all of you. So, like, this is how the creativity comes up. And of course, you can do all these things as well. It's like International Youth Day. See, it's here like importance of mentoring programs for youth and career development. Yes, of course. So then, like, this is like more or less which you can do. You can also just something to say product manager, like whatever topic you will be telling me, right? I'm like, till here, understand a lot to remember, I guess. Anyone? Any question, or then I'll be moving ahead?
Is Gemini also similar to this Chat GPT? I mean, in terms of what you have to give
Yes,
and all?
yes. See, it's like these particular kind of content, these all things are like very generic things. But like if you talk about asking how many uh, means, it's like if you talk about some kind of facts, or like if you talk about some kind of demographic things, so then I think most updated one is the Gemini thing and not ChatGPT. Say that, like, how many percent of people have voted this time in Uttar Pradesh and whatever it is. So then, yes, of course, the specific, all the statistics and all those figures are given by Chat Gemini.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Any other question? Otherwise, I'll hop. Next, our AI tool is Canva. Have you all used Canva before?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, is there anyone who has not used?
It was part of our previous assignment to
Lovely, lovely,
plus
lovely. So like
that.
what all things
So
did you
we
make
had
on
to-
Canva?
We had to create some static image and some animation. Yeah, so I think many of us used that for the first time, maybe last week.
Okay, so like, can I like just give it? I'm like, can I just use Canva for next 10 minutes more? I hope it will be a little more useful.
Sure.
So, okay. So like this time I'll be using Canva for you, that how you will be dividing your content into different segments. The first one and my most favorite is carousels. What does carousels means? You might have seen that like there are particular kind of posts which come up with some kind of scrolls in it. For example, Instagram has some kind of 10 images, right? And then like you just need to scroll it out there. So this is called as carousel post. Carousel posts are very much important if you talk about LinkedIn, and yes, of course, if you talk about Instagram as well. So let's start with that once. Just tell me one particular topic, please. Anyone else, like apart from project management, is there any is there any other type of topic that you would like to help me?
Something related to skincare.
Lovely. Okay. So see, this is the template that I've got here, right? Now just look at it, because I can't teach you Canva. I can just be a kind of tutorial to you, which will like just give you, okay fine, this is done like this, that is done like this, but then the actual Canva will only come when you will start using that particular kind of platform. Now here initially I'll be taking weekend. If you talk about skincare, let's come here. Morning skincare routine. I'll be not going into perfections. I'll be just teaching what is required here. Here, in terms of follow, you can take here follow, or you can write here maybe say next time, or you can write here today. Slide 2, slide 2 follow, or whatever it can be. Okay, now this is done here. I'll be adding one more picture. I'll be adding, no, leave it. Don't add one more picture. Sorry. I'll be adding here one more page, one more page, one more page. That's it. I've created all these 3 images extra. After that, I'll be taking here, let's take here frame. I'll be using it here like this. I'll be putting this, then I'll be copying, then I'll be pasting it here, then I'll be pasting it here again. Now I'll be taking, because I'm talking about 3 skincare routines for now, I'll be writing here 1. You can take whatever one you wish. Then I'll be taking here 2. Then I'll be taking here 3. These all elements I'll be getting in the elements itself. There are like multiple very beautiful kind of designs, and like different kind of things that you get. Since it is relating to skincare, let's come here to photos. Then I'll be writing here moisture. I'm so sorry, I'm not well aware of all these things, but yes, still I'll be taking moisturizer. You can take cleaning also. Put it this here like this. Then after that, put here cleansing, whatever your next thing can be. then here it can be of sunscreen. Sunscreen or sunscreen, whatever. Okay. After that, my last slide will be a call to action. Call to action here will mean if I have some kind of product or service and I'll be selling that particular kind of product or service, else I'll be just putting my photo and then I'll be telling hi, follow to look up for more such things. Okay. So then now this will be the thing. Now this can be a small post. Now see, here what has happened is that I have created one particular content in segment, that is what do I tell you? Matlab, it's like I have just explained a process in one particular post. So if I talk about all this process, this will always fit into Corozal posts. Now here, if you want to make your Corozal post little more attractive, you will be adding some kind of angles to it. For example, say arrow you can type here. So then now this will give you this kind of arrow. This can be your one. Then of course this is the kind of creatives that you can put below every page that you have. And then in the last slide, it's your photo, that what all things you do. So this was a basic skincare routine that has got into this. So this was all about corrosals, right? I'll just go back to Canva. See, there are so many templates in this. I'm pretty sure you might have seen it somewhere or the other. Let's see what more corrosals are there, if they have any corrosals. See, these are the carousel posts that are here. See, if you enter here all this carousel, everything has been set. You just need to write and see, these all are the arrows that are flowing here. This, after that, this goes to this, then from here it comes here. So this means that they are just talking about some particular kind of topic, say how to choose a brand name, and then they are just giving you some kind of directions. So this is what carousel posts are all about. I'll be just helping you out with one more template that is available here. See, it's like improve, like tips for improving productivity. Here it's like healthy skin tips. See, it is also kind of thing. So maybe you can just change the pictures, etc., and then you can just go ahead. See, these are the different kind of posts that have been created. So yes, of course, this corrosal post is one important thing. The second I would want to teach you is your video editing. Has anyone yet started with video editing so far? Ma'am, anyone?
Yes. Mm.
Okay, so
Yeah,
have
I
you
tried a bit of it.
Okay, okay, cool. May I just go ahead again once again? I'll just start with this video editing.
Yeah, I have done a bit of it. Like,
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you. So
Is
see,
this
like
the paid version?
yes, this is a paid version.
Okay.
You want me to go in different version? I can do that as well.
Yeah, I mean, if you, I don't know about others, because the one that I think many of us are using is unpaid. So I don't know how much of these will be there. That
Okay. So this is the unpaid version now. Here I'll be coming to Instagram Reels. They are the, of course, these are the free ones which are available. I'll just click here, click on the, create the blank version. Then after that, here I can go to the template section wherein I can type here skincare. I'll be getting this. I can use all these things completely step by step. If you talk about this pro version, okay, there was one thing before that, like, whatever pro things were there, you could have just deleted that. Yes, of course. I'm like, I think that once when you start using Canva, you can, like, you should definitely get a pro version. Okay, anyways, let's get started with here. If you don't have a pro version, you can upload some of the videos that you might have recorded somewhere. Consider that I'm creating a video for. So see, what I've done right now is that I have already recorded some videos somewhere, and like I've just uploaded it here on this file. This is a thing. What I'll be doing here is that I'll be working on this blank sheet, and I'll be writing here from this font section. Want to watch my latest suit collection. Sorry, collection means a lot of things, right? Okay, my latest suit set. I can just write here like this font. I can just use here some kind of question mark. Of course, this color can also go according to your thing. This is also not available in the pro version. So this I've done here. And then now I would also like to give an introduction on this cover itself to my brand as well. So I'll be writing here my name also. Say you can write here dash Tulika Arora, whatever it is. And I can just change its font if I want. I'll be just changing this complete color. Of course, if you're see, if I talk about all these kind of colors, right? I think that you need to pick some colors for your profile, because see, like maximum times what happens is that now people come into the mood and then they create any kind of colors, they put any kind of whatever fonts they want. But no, what I feel is that you can, like, just pick up your some colors. Say that you are wanting to use only yellow and blue, or you're wanting to use only black, white, red, gray, whatever it is, or maybe say some particular kind of colors that relates to pastel shade. So it's like, what I believe is that once when you follow a kind of particular color tone, right, your profile automatically becomes a kind of template. For example, if I talk about some kind of pastel shades, right? Hmm, how do I explain you? Yes. So see, now just imagine that, like, your page is filled with these colors only. So then automatically this looks a kind of very elegant sort of a thing. You put here very loud colors. So see, you get all these particular kind of things. So then, like, now from next time, whenever you create any kind of post, right, you can just type here this thing, and like, you will get all these kind of color codes that are available here. So maybe just use these particular kind of colors. So you don't use this for the template, use it only for the colors. So this is what I was trying to explain you. Now I'll just fit this here. Maybe if I'll be wanting to change some other color, whatever it is. Like now this is how this video looks. Want to watch my latest suit? Here this has taken already 5 seconds. I will reduce it down to 2 seconds. After this, I will write here all the text that will be flowing. That will be maybe say quality. Seeing so like these are how people put their content on their video. The second thing can be price or whatever. Now when you go to Instagram, you so what I did is that here it was only one clip, right? So then like I have entered this all two text. I can just come here. I can just add this one more video. I can just create a duplicate of it, and I'll be just reducing this video from here this much, and I'll be using it here this much. And then now maybe once here I've written quality, I'll reduce this price from here. Sorry. A bit of all those kind of editing that will be done here on the Canva. So this is how you can edit this also. So this was the video that I have downloaded it from my system. I have uploaded here, and then that is how I've created this video. You can like always just go back and forth and like just edit it little more in the way that you desire to. Next, I can come here up with see these are all the videos also that are available. You can just put all your photos here into it and you can create some content. For example, mm, okay, I'll write here skincare Instagram reel. Of course, these are few of them paid also, but the ones which are here in the free wala version, you can use this. You can just create all kind of content by changing your colors, all these photos. This video can also be changed from the back. So like maybe like you have just created some kind of video of you doing something, and you just remove this particular video from here. Just click here at the back, just delete this. Now here you can just upload whatever video that you might be having. If this noise is like just irritating you guys, you can just let me know. वैसे मैंने volume like this is how this reel video has been created. You just need to explore these platforms a bit more so that you become like little more friendly, like little more friendly also with all these tools there. Yeah. Next is my favorite. I'm pretty sure you will also like it. It is called as ideogram. In ideogram, what happens is that okay, fine. Is everyone awake right now? Please raise hands.
Yeah.
Lovely,
Very
lovely,
serious.
lovely. Cool. So like this ideogram, this is my favorite AI tool. In this, what I do is that whatever thing I need to create, right, I'll be just going to this link and I'll be typing here anything, like whatever I want. See here, it's a cat dancing, right? I can write here dog dancing. Okay, it will take some time. Till that time, let's come here to Canva and then see that how we can use actually this photo here. See, these are the pictures that it has got. I'll just copy this image from here. I'll just go to Canva. I'll just paste this here. Like I'll just paste it here. And I'll just write here. If you can't do anything, then dance. So this is like one picture that can be converted into different Instagram posts, your reel, your videos, whatever it is. Another way how ideogram can be used is that can be a girl sitting with laptop on mountains. So see, this is what ideogram is going to give me. You're seeing this? So it's like you just type and you will get this. I have created some kind of emojis for me. It was like create funny Instagram logo. So it's like text to graphics. So then now here you don't need ChatGPT also to create a kind of post. See, all these posts are here available here. You can just use it in whichever way you want. So see, maximum people are doing these things only, right? I mean, like now after coming all these things, see, do you actually use mobile or you are a mobile? Like you can use this also as a quotation, and then after that you can tell that like what are the demerits of using phones so many days and like for so many hours. See, this is a kind of background that you can put on your Instagram post. See, this is a kind of funny Instagram post that you have got. Is it something new? Did you all like this? Like you will just type there and your content will be created in an image form. I will share the link as well so that you all don't forget this. And also, like, it's a completely free tool. Like, there is no paid version on this till now, right now. But yes, of course, this upgrade plan has in it. But like, I haven't bought the upgrade plan till now. Text to AI image. I can also write here Bangalore. I won't use this Bangalore only one. I've forgotten this. Am I correct for Bangalore's spelling? Please tell me. Yes, today I'm correct. So see, these are the pictures that you have got here already. It's an AI based image. You can just put here one more text after going to the Canva. Say like whatever content you want, like you can just write here. You can just copy the image from here and you can just paste the image there on Canva. And yes, of course, this ideogram it is on phone also. Ideo Bangalore influencer meet. Let's type this. So it's like within seconds your creative is made and it's here. So if you want to create something that involves events, so like you can just take this picture, just crop it, and like just say that this is the next event happening or something like that. Now I'll just come back to the PPT, and it had these AI tools. Next here comes up as get collaborations. All these AI, sorry, like all these email templates and cold outreach templates, all this you can get through your Canva itself. Sorry, you can get this through ChatGPT itself. So say that I'm coming here and I'm writing here. Hi, I want to restart my career in software testing. I have worked with. I am so sorry if I'm writing the company wrong. I'm like, I don't know if this company deals with this. I'm like, just giving you a kind of example. Hi, I want to restart my career in software testing. I worked with Wipro for say 5 years and 3 years in Cab Gemini. I'm so sorry, Cab Gemini spelling. Uh, Canva will give me exactly that. It does not, like change the thing also. Cab Gemini. Yes. Now I will be telling her that please help me write an email to the next company which can give me an opportunity to work with them after my 5 years of break. Keep the email short in say 100 words. So this is how you will get an email that you can just start sending it to as many people as possible. See, when I have started my career, right, I'm like, of course, I'm not saying that like I have done a lot of things. Like of course, like since like I am like younger to all of you here, but yes, I'm like when I have started. Trust me, it's like for 5 months, I have gone to every store here in my city in Varanasi, and I have just given my visiting cards to everyone. Like, people were not at all understanding what is digital marketing, why is digital marketing important, why am I telling people that, like, your brand should be there on Facebook, on Instagram, etc., etc. Like, literally, people, like, they just used to shut their doors that, like, manager is not there, we are the salesperson, we don't want to hear you. Matlab, it's like maximum time, like, people, they were not, like, of course, like, they were not listening only. What I did is that I have just gone to every shop almost that anyone can imagine, and I've just dropped my visiting card, and I have spoken to everyone wherever it was possible. I was telling, hi, I've come here, you need to listen to me. I was like, that much elected. No, you have to listen to me. No, you have to listen to me. Why? Because I have, like, just wasted my petrol. I've, like, just wasted my time. I've come up here. You should definitely give me some 5 minutes, 7 minutes. No, 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 no. Okay, fine, done. But then after that 5 months time, you won't imagine, till 2 years I am getting my business. It's like people tell me that, hi, you have come there. I'm like, ek bar aap aaye the, like, we just want to talk to you, we just want to listen to you, etc., etc. Like, now if anyone sees me in any kind of video also, right, so then, like, they just come, like, into their memory, okay, fine, I have met this girl somewhere. So, like, you need to make your cold outreach that loud. Every company that relates to your work profile that you were doing earlier, everyone should get email to. I'm like, like, everybody should get your emails. Also, I'll be telling you one more thing. Like, while I was doing a master's in filmmaking and advertising, etc., from Mumbai, what happened there was, like, I was just wanting to work in film industry. I was wanting to work. So there was a film that had come up, which was called as Shumangal Jada Savdhan. Like, I had just approached their executive director that, like, hi, my name is so and so. Like, I would like to do an internship under you. So then he was like, no, there is no space right now empty. So then, like, you can just come up in the next film when we'll be doing it. That I'm like, whenever we'll be doing that. So, like, I am, like, so much used to all these things that, like, matlab, it's like people will definitely tell, next time, next time, next time. What I did was that I was like, please, you tell me the date. When can I reach you next? When can I talk to you next? Whatever it is. That person told me in October. He told me that, like, no, sorry, in September he told me, like, let's speak on December. Like, sorry, like, let's speak in December at the last week. That is around Sunday. What I did was that right from September, October, November, December, all these 4 months, every Sunday, I was sending him my email. Now, when the time had come, that person already knew what Tulika Arora is, and, like, how much reluctant she is. So let's say, of course, like, that is my one particular example about an outreach. I cannot tell how different people outreach to it, like, like how those people outreach. But yes, what I believe is that if you want to become a part of any company, like, no matter how small the start is, or say how small the restart is, whatever lectures, whatever companies, whatever sessions that you get at Herky, please just go, just get that, whoever gives the lectures, right, I'm like, just take their email IDs, just take their WhatsApp number if it is possible. Please just keep on sending your email, just keep on sending your resume. And yes, of course, like, this is the content that can be, like, just given it to them. So yeah, I think it is more than enough. You can just write all your cold outreach emails there itself. Next can be generate organic reach and profile. This is very, very important. Blog captions and reels, I'll just tell you how. So it's like, whoever has done their assignment, you all have done approximately 4 to 5 type of content ideas. I'll tell you how. So, like, I'll be just taking one particular paragraph. um okay, cool. What are the questions were there? Like, experience in Herky. What are the 3 LinkedIn posts that you can create in LinkedIn influencer? Okay, just give me 1 second. what I'm doing is that I'm just explaining you that how your one answer can be converted into different type of content ideas. See, this is the thing, right? I don't know the name of who has written this, whatever it is. I'm just telling that, like, what all things can be done from this. Harki is one of the foremost names that comes to your mind when you think of jobs, networking and learning, sharing and caring for women working in offices and at home. It has been fortunate front runner. Sorry. It has been a front runner in helping women get back to work after it has been hundreds of women experience learning, mentoring. Okay. Here what I'll be doing is that this one paragraph will help me know question to one particular thing. Okay, when you think of jobs, networking, learning, sharing and caring for women working in offices and at home. Okay. अब आप लोग सिर्फ देखते जाइएगा कि एक ये पैराग्राफ को मैं कैसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीज़ों में डिवाइड करती हूँ. ये मैंने एग्जाम्पल लिया है क्योंकि आप लोग इससे सब लोग रिलेट कर सकते हो, राइट? बट नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर इन केस आपको ऐसा लगे कि मैं वीडियो किस पे बनाऊंगा, मैं पोस्ट किस पे बनाऊं, मैं कंटेंट किस पे बनाऊं, ब्लॉग किस पे बनाऊं, पोस्ट किस पे बनाऊं, तो ये उस चीज के लिए है कि एक बार हमेशा आप लोग अपने पास एक ब्लॉग रेडी कर लीजिए. जितना जल्दी आप अपने पास एक राइटअप रेडी रखेंगे उतना ईजी आपका कंटेंट बनेगा. मुझे अगर इनके कुछ भी चीज करनी होती है, मैं सबसे ऑफ कोर्स लाइक आई एम लाइक इफ आई वांट टू क्रिएट एनी काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट, राइट, I always try and like just write a particular kind of blog. Why? Because like once a blog is written, it gives already a very vast kind of knowledge that is available. So then here I'll be just starting. I'll be just writing here. Questions. Now my first question can be, what does Harki do? So this is their answer. This can be your one reel. What does Harki do? Hi, my name is so and so, and like Harki is into all these things. After that, it has been a front runner in helping women get back to work after a break. It has been a helping hundreds of women to share network experiences, learning, mentoring, etc. Life and love, their transformation from just providing jobs for Harki pays for women. Yes. Next can be your poll. Poll can be, is Harki for freshers, restarting, already working, whatever it is. Or you say single parent, whatever it is, right? So it's like this has given me one more question. Next year comes up, wishing all the best for their website and apps. Look, okay, fine. Next can be, what platforms I have to use to get connected to Harki. So see here, my first thing can be, of course, app. Second thing can be website. Third can be social media. Fourth can be say newsletters, etc. You're getting my point. So see, all those things you have only written, but I have provided it into different kind of segmentation wherein like you can just divide it into your content. So yeah, that was one thing. Why have people left? Yes. Next was this cold outreach. You can just take a screenshot of this. Hello. तो ये है किस लिए? Like why is this cold outreach? So like this cold outreach is like after you feel that okay fine, you have some 200 300 influencers on your page, right? Sorry, you have some 200 300 connections, or like maybe some kind of follows on your page, and then like now you're looking forward for people or say for brands that they send you some kind of product or services. So this can be, hello, say a particular brand, I am this, my name, a passionate fashion influencers with a focus on maybe say creating content that relates to office wear. I love your brands itna, yeah, I'm like say this products, let's collaborate to showcase your latest collection to my engaged followers. Looking forward to discussing how we can create an impact. creating an impactful content together. So like this is a kind of very concise thing. In this you have given a customized message to that particular brand wherein you are reaching out. You have told your name in first 5 words. After that you are also telling that see, your brand is something that my brand should work with, or say my brand is something that should have your products on my page or whatever it is, right? Now I have also given a kind of say heads up, say that collection to my engaged followers. You getting my point? So it's like you have given a kind of USP, or say that you have given a kind of say some kind of trigger point that why a brand should collaborate with you. Why? Because of course your followers are engaging. Next year can be looking forward to discussing how we can create an impactful content together. So this is also kind of say call to action that has been given. It will be great if you can just attach your email ID or your content also. This is for digital marketing. Likewise, of course, you can just create content for your particular work segments, whatever you like, whatever you people have. Next year comes up work sample and idea to pitch. What I believe is that not always, since now you people are more from this tech field, please just correct me if I'm wrong. Not always CVs will help you in this particular point of time. I think that you need to have some kind of case study also ready. If you remember that there might be some kind of project that you have worked on, maybe you can just provide some kind of summary to it in a really short version, just create a document out of it. And then along with your email, I'm like, yes, and after that, whenever you email it to anyone else, right, just attach your CV, attach this kind of work document that you have. And yes, of course, if any other thing that you want, maybe say some kind of award or whatever thing, if any kind of certificate, whatever is that is required for people to convince that yes, you are good at it, what you are applying for. Here it can be attach some of the work done from from previous company. Second one can be do a sample project for the client and pitch them. Third one can be get a product or brands of competitors and revamp their work and present. What I mean is that see, there are two different things what I'm joining here. One is how you can become an influencer. Second, also what you are doing currently, just taking that thing only ahead and working, maybe applying in different companies. Now, why I'm telling you to apply in different companies, I'll just get to it, because there's a platform which is called as LinkedIn. I think that that might still need that might still help you out in some way or the other. So yes, that is the thing. Now, if I'm looking forward for pitching some kind of client or say some kind of brand for their product or services for my page, then these are the three things that I'll be doing as an influencer also. First is consider that I want to get some kind of product that relates to say moisturizer or whatever it is, right? So now any product that relates to moisturizer that that I might have done before, I'll be just attaching my links to it. That hi, I'm looking forward for attaching with the brand. You have this kind of say body fashion, whatever it is, and these are some kind of 2-3 reels that I've already created for different companies. That can be your some work done from previous company. Second thing can be do a sample project for them only. Say that if that particular kind of brand just deals with multiple kind of products, you can maybe just product maybe you can just purchase one product, and then you can just create content around it. And then for after that you can just tell them ki, hi, see, this is the kind of shampoo that I've done. I would also require for some kind of hair mask so and so that I can collaborate with your brand. So this is also a way how influencers are doing. Third can be, of course, get product and brands of competitors and revamp. So say that today you got a lipstick of Lakme, and then you are pitching it to different other companies, say Maybelline or Mac, whatever the companies are there are, right? So it's like these are the three ways on how you can approach clients, on how you can approach different brands by giving them a considerate reason to trust your profile. Now, these are the three apps that I want to tell you. One is, please take the screenshot. One is Upfluence. Second is GC. Third is Cofluence. In this, what happens? You go here, you create your ID. For example, you are here on Herkey's app platform, right? What happens here? Here, students are there. See, of course, I'm considering you all people as students, right? If one of you takes a session, then of course then you will be maybe in kind of, how do I tell you? Okay, so just consider that like two different parties are here at Herky, right? In one particular session, like just come to a kind of cloud with me, wherein I'm telling that there are two type of people. One are brands, one are students, right? Those brand comes, they teach students, they give some kind of session, then they take those students or whatever it is, right? So this is a platform Herky, wherein both of them get their problems sorted, get their things sorted, get a kind of community that is made together. Same are these three type of platforms. Here you have brands who are here to provide product and services to influencers for free of cost. So what here? Sorry, I'm like free of cost means that like consider that like if I'm an influencer to your company, right? So like I'll be just registering my account in this affluence, but I don't have to pay here anything. I'll be like just checking out. So like all these three platforms have a kind of dashboard, right? And like in that particular dashboard, what happens is that brands, they just launch their products and they just tell that okay fine, this particular product I can give to influencer who has more than 20,000 followers on barter, and I will give the same product to person who has 50,000 followers for 5,000 rupees, for 2,000 rupees, whatever it is. So it's like a kind so like it's like a kind of dashboard wherein both brands and influencers come up to a single place, a kind of community, and then you people just exchange your contacts, and yes of course whatever the kind of deliverables are there. So this is what happens. You as an influencer, you can apply to all these things, like there's an apply button, like just apply as an influencer, whatever it is. Then they'll be getting then they'll be sending you a kind of email wherein you'll be just need to answering some kind of question that hi, like have you done this kind of product before, is there any kind of video that you want to share, etc etc. So like that is how this deal is cracked at the end. Next is his latest trends in influencer marketing. See, if I talk about latest trend, okay, one thing that I believe is that latest trend is being consistent. Everybody is just getting up early morning and just typing good morning. Everybody is just getting up and they are just figuring out okay what I have to post next. Maximum people are getting all those mental problems, all those depression things, there are so many things which is happening because of all these things. Why? Because people are not able to maintain a balance. Either they are in too much depression, or they are using too much phone, or they are using too much. And see, like what I mean is that if you use everything that spreads knowledge for yourself, for other people, right, nothing will go in any kind of say that negative dilemma. So yeah, what I feel is that you need to be consistent, you need to use everything properly. Right now the latest trend in influencer marketing, what I'm seeing is that maximum influencers are talking about how you need to keep your mental stability at place. And that is how, of course, like that they are doing by joining different kind of NGOs that just including this particular kind of idea with different brands that they're working ahead with. Why? Because these are the particular kind of problems that maximum people are struggling with. And then if I'll be talk about I'm like and if I'll be starting to talking about that, right, so then everybody will get acquainted to it. Okay fine, yes, she's talking correct, something like that. Next year comes up is networking groups. Okay, I'm not satisfied with this concept that I've explored you. Latest trends in influencer marketing. Just consider that there was one very viral video that went off from Vicky Kaushal. That song was Obsessed, right? What happened is that one person did it as a celebrity, and then for everybody just started doing it. Yes, of course, Vicky Kaushal did it, so everyone did it. But that went a kind of relatable content for everyone. So then, everybody just started dressing up like that, something like that. So then, yes, of course, all those kind of latest trends are happening here. So maximum things that people create are somewhere or the other related in some way. Next is TikTok scam. This is a very nice tip. Please understand this. Always carry two accounts. So many TikTok people who were there earlier on TikTok, they were so much depressed, all those problems have happened. They have just lost their lakhs and lakhs of money. Why? Because they were always focused on creating their profile only on one particular platform. What I mean is that once when you have content, right, then then what's the issue? Just start uploading in some other platform also. I'm not saying that say that you are just starting your journey and you just need to be there on all platforms. No, at least for 15-20 days be on one platform. After that after that just learn second platform, right? And you can just go out to the second platform as well. Instagram plus YouTube. Yes, of course, all these two trending things happen, which are on Instagram and YouTube. The audios are available there. Okay, I'll just show you here YouTube thing once. I was having some kind of. See, these are the shots here. Right, this is the audio that is going viral right now. This is one segment which is called as Paon Ki Juti. This song is here, right? So see, these many people have used this song. So once when you see shots anywhere, right, you will just get to know that okay, fine, how many people have used this song. That was used by 1.3 million people. This song is used by 6.5K people. See, this is the thing that I'm telling you. So yes, of course, the audio which is used by maximum people, you can create content on that. See, this is like approximately 1,12K shot somewhere. So see, it's like there are two things that happen, right? I'm like initially when I'm like initially like what happened, right? I'm like if a song got viral, right? So it's like everyone is making the content on the same song. Why are you also making the content on the same song? You should do something else. That was a kind of concept which was happening once, right? That was all about do something different. But no, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, those people are telling that we will push your profile only when you will be using that particular kind of content. That is Instagram. That is Instagram's content in terms of hashtags, in terms of audio, in terms of whatever the whatever the new features have come up, etc. etc. So yes, that is all about trending. So you can just go down here on this shots, you can just check that okay, fine, which audio is trending right now, and you can just create your shots and your reel accordingly. Next year comes up exploring networks and community. I'll be talking here three things. Number one, I'll be talking here WhatsApp. Why? Because WhatsApp is very, very important. You all are using it. And being a woman, I personally know its importance. Why? Because we women have the maximum number of WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp communities, WhatsApp channel, where people keep on adding us without our permissions, right? So just trust me. If you are added into some kind of WhatsApp group, right, try to be active there. Whatever a person posts, this is nice bhabhi, this is nice ma'am, whatever thing you can do, right, just start getting active into those WhatsApp pages. People will see your content 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, whatever it is, right? After that, when you will be posting some kind of content, right, people will also start engaging. Why? Because you were engaging. It's like Kimala, it's like some just consider that you have gone to someone's birthday, you have just given a particular gift to that person. So then maybe you say some kind of compensation, then that person also gives you some kind of gift, whatever it is, right? So let's say it is that kind of compensation that keeps on happening in the human behavior. Yes, of course, thank you so much. And then the same thing keeps on happening in this digital world also. So I have actually seen people that those people don't comment only on different profiles. Why? Because those influencers are not commenting on their ones. So that is something what goes on. This is one thing. Just stay active on WhatsApp groups, whatever it is. Second is that if you have started your channel, if you have already started something, if you have say some kind of 30-40 videos, please create your own WhatsApp group. If you have any kind of product, if you have any kind of services, right, just start pushing all those things in that particular group. Next is maximum people fail to market their own WhatsApp. What do you mean by market their own WhatsApp? So it's like whenever you post any kind of photo or video on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever it is, right? Just copy that link, and just post that on your status. Hi, my new video on this. 3 things why you should overcome food eating habits. 3 things why you should not do before you sleep. All these things. Like, just start creating content around that, and then for that can be done. Now I'll be coming here to this LinkedIn page wherein I was just wanting to explain you that, how you can just go back to different companies and, just apply them. See, I'll be searching up like according to my thing. I'll be showing you how I will be putting my filters, and then like accordingly you can just do it on your account. So then, like, just imagine here I'll be doing here digital marketing consultancy. I'll be going here to this job segment, and I'll be applying to all these companies that are available. There are total 81 companies which are available right now. I can also check here for my experience level, that is director, mid, senior, associate, whatever it is available here. I'll be just using these filters. See, now here from 81 it has got all 64 filters. Now I'll be coming here to remote, that is I'll be using remote and hybrid. See, now I've got all these 38 results. Just digital marketing consultancy in India, I've got 38, or say I've got all these 48 results, whatever it is. So you can use it. Consider that, I'll be using here as what all different words are there. What all did we talk about? We were talking about project management, right? So I'll be talking here software tester.
Madam, Swati.
But
Manasa?
Swati, but they in digital marketing they will ask in experience or fresher, like fresher they will ask.
Tulika?
yes. Please
Yes.
come again.
In digital
Please answer
marketing, I want to know just they will ask like beginners or experience. Just I want to know.
See, if you have have you done any kind of digital marketing course?
No, no. This
No.
is first time.
Uh, okay. So see, what I believe is that initially, if I'm like, if I'll be hiring someone, right, I'll be wanting that, that person knows something at least about digital marketing. Either that person has done so many kind of internships already, or that person has studied something from somewhere. Because getting, I mean, like giving someone some kind of project or everything, is very difficult if it is to explain them everything from the scratch. So yes, I think that if you're a fresher, you should definitely do some kind of course if it is possible. That will just give you some kind of certificate. Don't go to very costly courses. Trust me, nothing works. Nothing works. It's just the kind of one certificate that is required that tells, okay, fine, this person had studied something. After that, what maximum is important is what is your industry experience. That is what is the kind of internship that you have taken. Now I'll just come back here. This is software tester. I'll write here India. I'll write here all these experience level, whatever thing I have. Like, you can just take the filters as per your preferences. See, these are the things that are available. You can just start applying all these things here through this easy reply. Just read this here. Just call them directly. Hi, my name is so and so and so and so. I've been just dying to have a word with you, etc., etc., etc. So yes, like all those people who are here in Capgemini, who are here in Wipro, who are there in Samsung, wherever you people are, right? Please just start outreaching, and this is what I would like to request everyone. Next is these all. Please take the screenshot of these 3 things. You will not understand this right now until unless you see a complete YouTube tutorial on this. It's like Target Affiliates, Shopify Affiliate Program, Amazon Associates. It's like basically an influencer gets their own page, gets their own channel, and then those brands just give a kind of say set of products and services. And once that influencer sells those products and services either through kind of links, or maybe say some kind of posters, or say some kind of sales closures, whatever it is, then that person gets to have some kind of commissions on all these 3 platforms. This happens. Shopify means, so there's a platform called as Shopify, wherein we digital marketers we create websites. So then whatever the kind of So see, like what happens is that here in Canva you get this pro version, right? Same things happens in Shopify also. So there's a website page that you see in the screen, but not all those pages are for free. Some of the pages are costing somewhere around $40, $50 per year, per month, whatever it is, right? So then, like I as a digital marketer, if I happen to sell client some of that particular template from Shopify, so then Shopify will be giving me that commission. So that is what the Shopify affiliate program is all about. So many programs, like just similar to that happens. Yeah, that was me. Thank you so much, guys. I was founder at Talika. I am founder at Talika. Sorry, I am founder at Media Fleetblue. I'm just in bit of hurry to check the time because yesterday, the session has got pretty far. Yes, now I would like to just tell you one more last thing, which is groups that are available here. So if you talk about this software thing, right? You just put your own keyword. I'm not sure what I'm writing here. Just write here groups, right? Just join here all these groups. Just start networking with people. Just talk to people. And after that, like once when you see joining does not means that join and after that you have left. No, just start networking with people. Just start talking to people that maybe you need some kind of classes, you need some kind of consultancy, whatever it is. Just keep on getting that. One last tip, one more thing. If you feel that you know something, you have an experience, study more about that. After studying more about it, start creating your own course and then just sell it in the market. Sell your one course for 99 rupees and then tell this is how 10, like these are my 10 videos about product management, whatever it is. Just sell it. Sell it on Udemy, sell it on my I'm like there are like so many platforms, right? So that's the thing. Thank you guys so much. I'm done with my session. Now I'm open for question answer sessions.
Hey, hi Tulika, this is Abhita. Hi, I guess I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, I just wanted to check, like, in order to, as you mentioned, that having theory knowledge is one part of it, but practical experience, if we have to do some projects or if we have to do some you can say the on-job training sort of a thing in digital marketing, including all the aspects. I'm not specifically talking about the influencer marketing and creating my own brand. So are there options available in the market, like uh, are there any options available
See,
for?
before that, I would like to know that, what were you working on before? Like, what was your profile?
Okay, I am into product management and I have business development experience. I have 16 plus years of experience, so I understand the industry. And I have certification in digital marketing also, and I have done some freelancing in digital marketing. Okay, with
Lovely, lovely,
SEO
lovely.
and with
So,
everything.
now what you can do is that, right? Just create a video of yours. Hi, my name is this and this. I have this much of experience, etc., etc., etc. And just create this a kind of, like, I personally call it a kind of hero introduction. So, hero introduction means that whatever your experience has been there so far, living on this planet Earth, just put everything in 1 minute and just create that video and just send it to all the companies that are into product management. Matlab, whatever your experience has been from before, right?
Okay,
Just check out the companies that are existing right now
okay,
and then tell them, hi, I want to do a digital marketing internship with you. Those people will hire you quickly. Why? Because you already know what they're working on. So
okay.
then now you'll be able to sell their product, their services even better way. Are you getting my point?
Yes. And actually, when you're saying it, it definitely is making sense, actually.
No,
Okay.
definitely, yeah.
Because to be honest, like I would say I would not agree with more the others over here, but once you're not in the workforce and when you're once you're not alive with a lot of things, these I these things are a little, you feel a little whether you should or you should not is a kind of question that you have, inhibition in your mind.
See,
But
I'll
what
tell you
you're saying
something.
it
ठीक है.
definitely makes
I
sense.
am
Definitely, I completely agree on that part.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. So see, like I'll just tell you something. Okay, well, it's like I'm always available, right, to everyone right here. Well, it's like even if you drop me any kind of question, right, either me or somewhere from my team, they will definitely always reply. And yes, of course, through Herky also, like you can just let me know, like if I can have more sessions, whatever it is. I'll I'll just speak to the team that maybe 1 hour can be just for just clearing all these kind of doubts. What I feel is that I'm just putting myself in your situation, that consider that now if I want to go back to that film industry, and if I want to do digital marketing also, what I'll be doing. So I have done film industry also, and I have done this digital marketing also. So then those people will be in more better position to hire me. Why? Because for them I'm in a set, because I already know their product. They don't need to tell me little bit of digital marketing. Then after the they're like, of course, like about their company, etc., etc. Like I already know maximum things. So that is the thing. Yeah. Next question on the right, please.
Yeah, before somebody asks the questions, I really want to compliment you on your energy and the positive attitude. uh, that's rock on. Yesterday also I wanted to say this, but uh, highly motivational. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Yes. Next, please.
Ma'am, do you know about Instagram loop video? Like, actually, I don't know how to create it. If you know, so if you can help or guide something about it.
Sorry, what thing?
Loop video,
Instagram? What video, ma'am?
loop video, loop. Like nowadays, the trend is going on of loop video.
Can you maybe just help me in imagination something? What, it's
Like it's a repetition of the videos. Like it's not ending. Repetition of the videos unless like till you read the caption. Now, the same video has been repeated 5 times.
see, that is because of the number of seconds of the audio that you use. It is not a loop video. It's like those audios are only made for 3 seconds. So then, till the time you don't switch it, you will be like, acha, it's like just running, running, running. So it's that video, I suppose. Otherwise, you can just drop a link. I'm like, you can just send that Instagram link to that video, to maybe to Tasmi or to anyone. I'll be just checking it and just getting back to you once again. Next, please. Thank you, Priyanka ji. Means a lot. Yeah. Any other video, guys? See, either the session was all clear or the session was all clear. So, what was it?
I think
Very clear. It was very nice.
yeah, I think it's one of the most useful sessions. I don't know about digital marketing or influencer, whether I'm going that way, but it was really useful. And you really went into the details of Canva and other tools, and very useful anyway, whether or not somebody chooses to pursue this. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyone else? Otherwise, I'll just leave the dice.
Yeah, thank you, Tulika. It was nice because I'm more of the older generation, if you ask me. But it was really nice to see all your youngsters, what they're doing. I kind of got the hang of what is happening in the current, what is happening in the current areas of what the current generation is looking at. So it was really helpful for me. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so much overwhelmed already. Okay, do we have anyone from Hockey? Hi, Swati ji. Should I take
Tulika. So, Tulika, thank you so much for this lovely session. And I hope Avida already given a great compliment for your energy. Keep that alive always. Thank you so much from Team Harki.
Thank you so much. I I would just like to take that reaction wala video once again, because that's already on my Instagram once, and I would like to
Sure,
take that
sure.
once again today. Thank you so much. So yes. How was the session, everyone? Uh, Where's my cursor? Yeah, it is here. One second. Yes, one more time. I'm so sorry. How was the session, everyone? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Bye. Signing off, Tulika Arora. You are already an influencer because you have thought of it. Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much. Please keep blessing me. Thank you.
So ladies, thank you for the joining in the session, and your next session will be on 3rd July. Okay, so kindly be on time. Thank you everyone and happy weekend.
Yeah, is there any assignment for this time?
If there will be, we will share with you. in
Yes,
your
sir, could you
WhatsApp- on
share
your
it by
WhatsApp.
tomorrow if there is any assignment?